So we have discussed all the contacts within the HubSpot, but there has to be a certain communication or conversation which would be taking place with these contacts. So how do we keep track of that? For that, we will go into the conversation sections and try to explore that. Within conversations, as you can see, we can already have inbox, chat flows, snippets, and templates. Let's explore the inbox first. Now within the inbox, you have 4 options available here. What is the email? You want to connect your chat, you want to have forms, and the Facebook Messenger. As far as the email is concerned, what you can do is that you can connect your email address with this conversation tab, and all the communication that would be taking place through that email account would be visible here. Now this is important to mention that this email account would be it needs to be a public account, so all the team members that have the access to this HubSpot instance, they would be able to view that information. So we can go ahead, and for the demo purposes, we can connect our own email address and see how things work out. And before we proceed, obviously you can see some of these other tabs that you can explore around the emails sent or the ones which have landed in spam or others. So let's go ahead. Email, we have options to connect multiple email accounts. Let's go with the Gmail. A couple of privacy policies. Let's continue. Okay, we're gonna do this. We will allow it. And so we have now connected our email account with the HubSpot. Okay. Once you're customizing, you can obviously check when the emails are presented. So how do you want to preview them? So this is currently, I was set the company name as Xgrid, and I can see when the email lands to someone's inbox, how it would be appearing. If you have any team signature, that you can also add. For now, we'll just skip it. But here is the option to do that. Okay, new team signature, and we just hit the next button. Okay. Currently, as you can see, the automatically assign conversations button is, this feature is not available. But what we can do is that we can keep a track of all the incoming conversations as support tickets as well. So we just go ahead and connect the finish. We have connected it, and we just want to see how things appeared in this.